In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crossplay Terraria mobile and PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to properly crossplay between both platforms so you and your friends can play together, you need to make a T-Shock server. Don't worry, this isn't a hard process. Just go to the GitHub page over at Pryaxis T-Shock release and download the latest version of T-Shock for your operational system. If you are on Windows, just select it from the right side of the screen over at Releases and download T-Shock 513 for Terraria Win64. After you download this file, just extract it somewhere in a folder and you can start running your server by running this executable file. Before you run, however, we need to add the Crossplay plugin by MoneyLovery3246. So look for Crossplay on GitHub or for Crossplay Terraria plugin on Google and go to the GitHub page. As you can see, Crossplay allows for cross-platform play between all 1.4.4 plus versions, which means that not only can you play with mobile and PC, but you can also play with other players on consoles. Just again, click on Crossplay at the right side of the screen, download the DLL file, and all you have to do is extract it to the server's plugin folder to where you extracted T-Shock to. And now you can start running T-Shock by running this executable file. I hope I was able to help you on how to crossplay Terraria PC and mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.